Hey, what's up? It's me, Errol, back again with another video. Today is something slightly different. Normally I record an intro, but I forgot. So, without further ado, we'll crack on anyway. So what we're going to do today is fit some winders. Now, this is a winder. Now, it's called a winder because it's the step that helps the stairs to turn where they can't do it straight. So, we've already cut our first winder. Now you can see, it fits in all corners. Right, let's have a stab at it. Now what we're doing here is making a relief cut at the back, so when I fold the carpet, it folds neatly. And what I'm doing here is I'm rolling the carpet under, so when I tuck it in by the nail post, it doesn't fray when you hoover. And what I'm doing there is just checking to make sure that the carpet is tight as it comes over the step. Now what we're doing here is making a relief cut at the back, so when I fold the carpet, it folds neatly. You'll notice that I bolstered the carpet in, so now I'm going to take my blade and cut off the excess carpet. My problem is I've made the cardinal mistake of trying to use a blunt blade. Biggest enemy of a carpet fitter is a blunt blade. Hey, finally I'm getting rid of that blunt blade. Hey, yeah, this is the last winder we're doing, and then we'll be on to fitting the straight steps. Stay with me. And now that we've finished fitting all the winders, we should continue by doing the straight steps now. I won't give you a running commentary on how I fit the stairs. If you check out my playlist, I have detailed videos there on how I fit stairs. Right, let's crack on with these stairs and get it done. If there are any other videos you'd like me to make, please leave it in the comments down below. If you check out my playlist, you'll see in more detail how I fit stairs. And there you go, we're just about done with this one. If you like this kind of content, please remember to subscribe. It helps the algorithm push us along and it gets the video out to more people. The more people that see it, the more videos I can make, the happier we all are. Like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.